Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Friday, March 23rd. We made it through this week. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. And we have an unboxing to do from Amazon. Bada boom. Let's see where this is coming from. LBKR Tech. Oh boy. Check them out. The links are going to be down below. You guys can get one at low cost. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime. Fast shipping. Here we go. One more cut. Oh, here we go. There we go. What do we have here today, folks? Another box. Alright, alright. Yep. LBKR. Alright. Here we go. Another box. Let me open this thing up. Oh. Hammer time. Here we go. And I think I only have one video today, so this might be a quick one to show you guys. There we go. Oh, another box inside of a box. It's like 3 boxes. Oh. Everything's falling. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Maybe there's another box inside. We shall see. Cut right here. Cut. There we go. What do we got? Oh, there's another tape right there. Cut. Put one right in there. Cut. There we go. We got it. What do we have here? What do we have? Oh, okay. We got one of these things. Let me get the instructions out. Manual. And we have to show you guys, they have to offer RC 4-wheel. That looks like a Hummer, or a Hummer. Bleh. Like from Fast and Furious. X-Drive, 4-wheel drive. Oh boy. How do we get these things out of this package? Oh, that was easy. Push the drives down a little bit. Drop, drop. There we go. Alright. We got the power source. USB charge. Lipo battery. Crack this open. This thing probably needs to be charged. Oh, jeez. So I'm assuming the battery must go in here. Here's a model. Nice. Perfect for your kiddies. Birthdays, graduations, Easter. Easter's coming up, so give them one of these things. Look at that. Boom. And we got this big thing. Oh boy. Oh, we need these clips. See those clips? I don't know if you guys can see them. These clips. They give you a couple extra there. Here's the remote. Trim. DR trim. Probably needs batteries. Do really. Yeah. AA batteries. I think I do have those. Brum brum brum. Where do I put the battery for this thing at? Oh, you gotta undo these clips. You probably could change the body kits to these. I wonder. maybe swap them out. But it's been many years since I messed around with one of these RC cars. But I did a few on here already, but like putting it together and all that good stuff, it's been many years. There's the inside. So the battery's hooked up. Gotta be careful with these kind of batteries. Don't want to lick them or touch them. Come on out, you little. There we go. Okie dokie. Here's that. It's got a plug. Shoot. Plug it in here. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a little bit better. Except for the focus. Okay. Hopefully we could do this in one shot. I won't need to edit anything out. There we go. Bada boom. And where does she tuck into? There's 2 batteries there. Does this need to be charged? This must be the charging. See, there's a battery right in there. So, alright. I think I know what I did wrong. Oh, they gave you an extra battery. That's cool. There we go. Nice and plugged. Now is there a switch? I'm not seeing any switches. And the switches on these. Oh, there it is. Oh, I heard it. Like I said. Oh, look at that. Wing. Alright, cool. I don't think this needs an antenna, so that's cool. You got the hydros. There we go. Easy peasy. And we just gotta go slide it in the hole. She gets clamped. There we go. Nice, nice. There we go. Another one bites dust. And another one. I just can't believe this month is almost over. Bring on Easter. Birthday will be coming up this year in a few weeks. There we go. One more to go. And then one more clamp. Oh, come on. There we go. Just can't believe I made it through another year. It's been an interesting year. But definitely check them out on Amazon. Really good people to talk to. Also, great customer service. Give me 1 second. Let me get the batteries. Alrighty, that was fast. I got the Amazon Basics. These guys. Oh, focus. Come on. Robbie Rob. Come on. Maybe the lens is a little dirty. Well, maybe not. Just not catching it right. But got the 3. 1, 2, and 3. All right, let's get this. Get your motors running. Heading on highway. And look out for adventure. Ever comes my way. Uh-oh. Reverse works. Alright, these are charging kits for the batteries. Forward, reverse, reverse. Oh, oh, okay, move it up. Dang, this sucker's quick. You definitely hear kids will like this for sure. Like I said, get it one at a low cost for a great Easter stocking basket stuffer, whatever you want to call it. It is quick. Look how it zips just from this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh boy. Dang, see that? It's not that sensitive, so definitely nice RC car for sure. And like I said, take advantage of the Prime for Easter savings. Get it fast shipping. This would be great for a gift at any age, up to like at least 21 or maybe more. These might be coming back. But now since Toys R Us is gone, who knows? But hopefully they get saved. But I doubt it. But then I heard about KB toy stores might be coming back, so that would be kind of cool. I used to go there a lot back in the day at the mall. Check out KB Toys. But now Amazon and all that good stuff is taking over. So definitely check them out. Take advantage. Fast shipping. Boom. Put a beer can on it. Your remote. Got the brake lights. Oh. This thing. Boom. X drive. And of course, it's, oh. Whoa. Alright, it survived that test. I'm surprised too bad the headlights don't work. I mean, the reverse lights do. So that's kind of cool. Unless there's a... I could adjust the turn. Whoa. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good weekend. Be safe, and I think I'll see you guys back tomorrow. If not, take it easy, and see you soon.